Thank you for choosing Dr. Gordon Slater.
Imagine stepping into a sealed chamber. The door closes with a soft hiss. The pressure begins to rise, gently, to around 2 to 3 times normal atmospheric pressure. You breathe pure oxygen through a mask. This is Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy, or HBOT. And it works because of a few simple laws of physics that change how oxygen moves through the body. First, Boyle's law. As pressure increases, the volume of gas decreases. That means any trapped gas bubbles can shrink, which is why HBOT has an important role in conditions like decompression illness. But that's only the beginning. Next, Dalton's law of partial pressures. When you breathe 100% oxygen under increased pressure, the partial pressure of oxygen rises dramatically, far beyond what we can achieve by breathing oxygen at normal pressure. Then comes the key mechanism, Henry's law. It tells us that the amount of gas dissolved in a liquid increases as the pressure of that gas increases. Under hyperbaric conditions, oxygen doesn't just ride on hemoglobin, it dissolves directly into the blood plasma in much higher amounts. That matters because dissolved oxygen can reach areas where circulation is compromised, or where tissues are inflamed, swollen, or under stress. Now zoom in to where this becomes really interesting, the cellular level. Most of the oxygen we breathe is used by the mitochondria, the energy factories inside our cells. They produce ATP, the fuel that powers repair, recovery, and normal function. In injured tissue, and often with aging, mitochondria can become inefficient. ATP output drops, and cells may produce more reactive oxygen species, which can contribute to ongoing inflammation and slower healing. HBOT introduces a controlled dose of hyperoxia, and in the short term, that can create a mild, temporary oxidative signal, a bit like a wake-up call for the cell's own defense systems. Across repeated sessions, the body can adapt in helpful ways. Mitochondria may function more efficiently, cells can support better energy production, and antioxidant pathways can be upregulated to manage oxidative stress more effectively. From there, downstream effects may include improved tissue oxygenation, support for inflammation control, and signaling that can assist the body's natural repair processes, including angiogenesis, or new blood vessel formation. So in a way, HBOT is a bridge between basic science and modern regenerative care. It starts with pressure and gas laws, and ends with oxygen delivered where the body needs it most, supporting cellular energy and the conditions that help recovery. What begins as physics can become biology in action.